Do you want to know how you can log into your HH2 Remote Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your HH2 Remote Payroll account. Go ahead and go to the search bar to search for HH2 Remote Payroll Login. You can see there are two options. One is Remote Payroll and the other one is HH2 Web Services. If you want to access the HH2 Remote Payroll, go ahead and click on the first one. So you can see that there is no login option over here. What you need to do is book a demo. So you must go ahead and fill in your personal details. Go ahead and write down your first name in this box over here. After you write down your first name, go ahead and write down your last name. Then comes your company name. Go ahead and write down your company name in this box over here. Write down your business email. After you write down your business email, go ahead and write down your phone number as well. And the final step is to state your province. So go ahead and choose your state or province and then click book your demo. This way HH2 will book yourself a demo and then you will be logged into your account. The next step is to start your payroll and then you can start and make it easy for yourself. So guys, this is how you log into your HH2 Remote Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.